Welcome back to the unboxing channel. The unboxing channel mainly focus on unboxing bus product. Playing the video, let's start with the unboxing. Today's unboxing will be about the Volvo Olympic LWB. This is the front of the box, and its service is E31, which is a Hong Kong express service from the airport. This is the back of the box, which shows Hong Kong Chinese social media websites and the product ID. The below of the box will showcase some instructions to follow. Let's unbox the bus. This is the model. This model is on E31, which is a Hong Kong airport service. This is the number plate HH2032, and the entrance is here and the exit is here. The Airbus sign and KMB group. This is the back of the bus, which shows E31, the rear of the bus of the engine. This is the emergency door and the Airbus logo and KMB group address.